Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with a process video in my Estelle B6 horizontal layout. If you're new, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. So originally I had did a ASMR video, but there was a poll and people like voiceovers and process videos better. So I am going to discuss the process for my video, and I am like moving so slow, but I am going to decorate my monthly for my Estelle for November. So I am using the Graceful Muse Paperie September kit. It is a beautiful fall theme. So they came out with this in September. And then in November, they came out with like a more snowy kit. So I am using the month sticker from the November kit, but these stickers are from the September kit. So it is a fall beautiful Paris theme. So I am using the days of the week stickers and putting that onto the month layout in the Estelle. They actually fit really good. So if you're looking for those type of stickers, that works well. So right there is the November kit by Graceful Muse. They have such a beautiful scenic kit. They do have some like people in there. I know some people don't like the character stickers. They do have a few of those, but it's mostly scenery. They have journaling stickers. Like right there is almost like a journaling style border. So that goes really well with the on the page. And I like the vellum stickers, how nice and light they are. It doesn't cause as much bulk as like paper stickers. I am going to end up using some paper borders because they didn't have them in vellum. So that's what I'm doing now, is seeing if they had some vellum, but they did not. So I'm using the paper stickers, and that's from the November kit. And so I'm putting that on like a border. And then I was grabbing my scissors and yeah. So then I figure I needed a sticker at the top. So that's when I was going through my stickers and I was looking at the November kits. So to the left is the September kits. And then to the right is the November kits. And they actually, to me, go really well together. The September kits are more bolder, and the November kits are like, it's a softer, like right there. So I am going to choose that little bird in the corner. I thought it was pretty. I think the background is kind of snowy, but you can't tell. It's really focused on the bird and the tree that it's on. So I thought it looked really pretty right there. And then here is where I am grabbing the Hello November vellum sticker. So if you saw previously in the previous layout, I had a September. So I like putting the November, or I like putting the stickers there like a border. And then I'm adding some like little decorative elements, just some flowers. And I actually am thinking about stamping 2024 at the bottom. I haven't stamped in this on the Estelle paper yet. I don't know if I've ever stamped on Tomoe River paper, but I'm gonna try it. And yeah. So, really quick, this is a Happy Planner sticker book and it has the numbers. So I'm going to use these numbers. They fit perfectly. So I had stopped the video so you didn't have to, so it wasn't stretching out and so it didn't stretch out. So yeah, so I added the numbers, and then now I'm adding some more little accents, and that is some candles, and it's like things to do in the fall. And I think the sticker says like burn candles, like burn some candles or something like that. So it gives it like, it's like little prompts of things to do for the fall. So I thought that would be fun to put that up there on my calendar, especially since this is my journal. So I don't do as many candles. I do more essential oils, the diffusers, but those stickers are always so cute. And I still have a couple of candles, so I may burn like a candle for a little bit. But I can't burn candles too long because they, yeah, it gets to my allergy sometimes. So, but yeah, so I added that. And then I'm going to add one at the bottom. I was seeing if I wanted to put something else bigger, but I changed my mind. And then that's when I'm going to get the smaller sheet again and then put the sweater on there, and it's going to say sweater weather. So I'm going to put that sticker on there. And this is a very simple, fun layout. I really like how it turned out. I believe, I am not sure exactly what I'm going to put in this and use the monthly for, but I'm going to figure it out. I may even put like scriptures, or that would probably be good. Just encouraging scriptures for that month. So I think that's what I may do. And then I am done. Hope to do more process videos, and hope you enjoyed this. A very simple layout for my monthly. So thanks for watching.